how to customize the animation within the Manim as one of the building blocks contents inside the animations. It's not so often you need to do that, but I would like to also demo step by step. This is our capability that you can extend the standard animation method or animate method that can serve some customized situation that you have. So in short, is in our mind map is I digest this sentence is uh, when you want to do the customized animation, you're starting by extend the existing animation class. So you remember we have our animate method. That is belong to the animation class, and the override is interpolate object method. So that is the one here using the link is you can come to here. That is the method. One of the method is in animation. So animation, then you can have a multiple method, and this method, what's that doing is interpolate the M object of the animation based on the alpha value. And if you click on this, they will receive our alpha value. Alpha is a float, our float between 0 and 1, expressing the ratio for which the animation is completed. For example, alpha 0, half, 1 correspond to the animation being complete by the 0%, 50%, 100% respectively. No return time. So you just need to overwrite this animating classes interpolate M object. So what we are going to show you is this counting scene. So if we just try to consider that from this content is you may already have the way through our learning is in the past is you can have a first one digit show and then fade in that and fade out this number means that disappear. Then this feed in the next number. So that is one state of object and at a time. But for that is if we want to show the from 50 to 100 with the two digit, you may have 500 the times fade in, fade out. So that is a way that you can do definitely. We haven't learned how to do this looping yet, but I suppose you can do some ways to do certain the repeated the activity, but using this extending the animation. We can just try to create our own function of own the class or with the method, and we define that as a count. This method, then this we can throw this alpha number into our own this class and use this count class to replace certain this interpolate the M object way. So through this is we can use this class as the main class and construct still, but from this play, then we call our customized function. So that is the our method that we can do to create something that we need to extend the existing libraries which cannot do. So, but it's may not be easier to understood. So we do this step by step. So let me starting to create 020. And I show this as a first sample, and when we get more powerful the method on hand is I think is we got chance to get more the such kind of these parameters that we can create some more customized things. So I will call that is a counting scene using the inclose the class pi and from Manim import this one. So definitely, so we should have our counting scene, and we create is the dev construct. If you watch the earlier video, is I saw the VS Code is also is still keep strange is they put is that this waveline under our big scene, so that should not be waveline. So because I believe it's not yet recognized, but it's already recognized our Manim library. So uh, and for this construct, actually we starting to see is we will create a count, and the count is will receive our argument as a alpha number. This alpha number is the 3 arguments. So first is the number, so you will count and this count, and the second is the beginning, and this end. This number, we will add that as our lambda, this one line, the single line function. So number is a decimal number dot set is set color is white, and here is the style. We just go this decimal number, create a decimal number, and add it to scene. So let's make this without style. So my behavior is I want to show you is we starting from the minimum things. So from the functionalities, we just need our decimal number. It's not the integer because the alpha need our floating number. So we have our decimal number. Get this, and then this we will have this self. Not yet. So number. Let's create our this another line. So number dot add updater. So updater is our this. Let me see. So updater is also our the numbers method. So I put that is lambda with every number dot move to origin. So let's try to see some basic things. Origin. So that is one. Self dot add number. So let's starting to run this. So I already create a number and make that display. So cd020. So list Manim. I hope is you're now familiar with this switch PQL. And then that is the counting and counting scene. Let's try see is what they will compiled. So index failed but did not provide a log file. So I got is some. Oh, so you can see they generate some numbers starting from 0, and there's no video, no image. Let me see. So any hint to us? This one, Manim counting. Lattice is not recognized as an internal or external command, so we don't have this latex part. So this is coming from the latex this function. So possible is we haven't make the latex the work. So let's come to here. So install the dependency. So install required dependency, optional dependency. So Windows we have this mpeg is already. Let's try to see the latex. So from which choco? Do I have a choco now can run? just wait a file, and I think it's our choco is working, and yeah, choco 2.4.0. Then this I can have choco install tiny text. So warning, 3 validation performed, 2 success, 1 warning. So warning, detect you are not running from elevated command shell. So you may experience. So no. So let me come from our administrator. Try to see that part is choco install tiny text. That is validate. Yeah, you can see now I have the local administrator. So download. Do you want to run this for all? So I will give all. If you don't run this script, the installation will fail. So, so they should not ask you yes or no. So, okay, it's downloading. Let me pause. As previously, it's also same. Is I got this error. Remote file either doesn't exist, unauthorized, or forbidden to this URL from the RStudio. Tiny exception code read with 3 unable to read data from the transport connection. So I'm not quite conform is whether it's due to my firewall because I'm sitting behind the firewall, but it's install one file. So I will do this one more time. Arrow from that is to see whether they already install something. So let's just use yes, not O. So let us try to run the script. Because without the script, there's no other ways you can install this. So to be download, verify. So download from this one, I think is coming from the arrow. But let me see. Let me copy this. I will try to see whether I can go to this page directly. So you can see here, I try to go to there, whether I can access this file. So if that is not able to download finally, I think here is I can download directly. So that maybe is that's good is I put this to here. So quick start installation, not here, installation, Windows and LaTeX. I got these arrows already quite many times. So that is the zip file from this script. I believe this script should be keep updating because now it's the November 2024. So anyway, let's make that work doing parallel. So I will keep that download, and the issue is I don't see their script. So if you can make more troubleshooting, that will be the interesting part. So I think it's very quickly is finished. So I will just leave that. So you can see it's still fail. So that is let's leave on that. And let me see here is whether I can run this. If not, then maybe it's, we will skip on this part for now. Then this I need to troubleshoot on the this LaTeX first. But let's add this and add weight. So let's finish this code first. So wait is and the play is the one is the count. We have 3 arguments. So if you have our this custom the class is runtime, we already know. So we need to call that. So 4 seconds rate. So those is not the customer part, is those linear. So those one, and then self dot wait. So these are the thing, and since you call that is you need to create our count. Then make that count is this can be called, and you will define the initialization of your class. And also, let's see, so self dot start equal to start, self dot end equal to end. So let's just create some dummy part. Is a def. This is the important. This interpolate object with self and give argument is alpha, and alpha is transferred to a float, and we put is return value is none, so which we read from by our this reference guide. So value, let's put that is self from the start plus alpha times self dot end minus self dot start, and then self, we can make this apply to M object, set value equal to our value. So the only missing one is the our arguments here. So argument is we will have first is the self, and the number gave is the reading from this decimal number. And we have the start as a float and as a float, and any other arguments. And from here we get none. So then that is the decimal. Do I have the decimal wrong? So no. And first is the superclass part is using this initial is with a number and all these kind of the linked arguments. So that is our code actually, so without any styling, but now we cannot make that running due to is we have our LaTeX installation issues. So I will stop here. So that is our 020, and I will troubleshoot is this LaTeX, and then this continue with this from the middle. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.